Are you a swing trader? Would you rather trade every few days, every few weeks than trade intraday? I don't want to be stuck looking at a screen, Don. I don't have that kind of time. I need to get in with my options and place some option trades every few days, every few weeks. I need to stay on the right side of the market. Today is Saturday, January 27th, and we're going to do something that we try to do every Saturday morning, and that is showcase for you some of the tools, one of the tools, we have many, at least one tool that we have available for you as a potential member to Stock Market Caddy. So I'm going to show you SMC Swing Machine Plus for stocks, in particular for the swing trader and or the option trader. I'm going to show you how this works, how you might use it, and at the same time, I'm going to give you some trade setups that are coming up next. First, let me introduce myself. I am Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. I am not a broker. I am not a financial advisor. Nope. I'll leave all that market wizardry to Guy Adami and Dan Nathan and all those people on the Contrarian News Bubble channel. Are they getting it done for you? If they are, keep doing it. But if they aren't, let me show you how simple this can be. This tool, SMC Swing Machine Plus, is a trend identification system. It does not use moving averages and MACDs and stochastics and all that crap. It doesn't. And what you can do is you can put in any symbol over here that you want. We'll put in the S&P 500. This is the daily interval. This is the last price on Friday, the net change, and the net percent change. But this is the key box right here, the T box, the trade entry. This tells us when we want to get long, when we want to get short or out, when the price is just dipping or when the price is ripping. You know, yes, it is a good idea to buy the dip, but it's also a very equally good idea to sell the rips. This tells us how many days, shrouded in white when it's a 2, how many days the signal is in place. And this means just 2 days. It's shorthand. And we're going to sort these and show you over the last 80, 90 days what could have been done. This calculates the profit based on a $10,000 trade or investment. Now, you might not want to use $10,000. If you're comfortable with options, you could be using options. This gives you the entry price. This gives you the date, if you want to know the specific date. This gives you, this area here gives you the trend information. And this gives you the fear gauge, which we in-service in more detail for our members. But what you want to know is, hey, Bagger, how's it done? Well, of the S&P 500, if you had put $10,000 into NRG 161 days ago, you would be up nearly 60%. Gave you the entry price and the date. And the trend is very, very good. It is in euphoria and it's likely to pull back. How about AMD? 57 days ago. If you had put $10,000 into AMD, you would be up $5,700. Now, we don't have time here today to go through every single one, but what I want you to do is watch the numbers over here. You have a total of 500 stocks, and watch this purse. This is going to give you the position, whether we are long or short. And let's scroll down. You can see here's the first short trade. It was Pfizer. If you shorted Pfizer 151 days ago with $10,000, you'd have $2,900 in profit. Maybe you owned Pfizer. You should have gotten out. At minimum, here's Bristol Myers, same thing. Archer Daniel Midland, same thing. But pay attention to the profit column. So I'm going to scroll down rather quickly. You can slow this down and look at any individual stock if you'd like. But I'm going to show you something that I think you'll find really, really interesting. And I'm happy to do this on any given day. And this is how quickly and how much time and noise you can save for yourself, because I'm going to scroll all the way down to where we start getting yellow. So let me show you something. Got to widen this out. Out of 500 stocks, we are profitable in 416. Are you kidding me, Bagger? No, I'm not. Now, you have to start someplace. You don't have to use 10,000. Maybe you just bought 5 shares or 10 shares and learn to use the tool and learn to follow a systematic approach. Well, what are those yellow boxes, Bagger? Well, those yellow boxes are trades that are just developing now. And I'm going to show you in a moment. So out of 427, we are profitable or flat out of 427 stocks out of 500. What about the losers, Bagger? Well, yes, we will suffer drawdowns or even potentially losing trades. But notice that the losses are few and very little. You see, the most important thing that a trader can do, no matter who you talk to who's been doing this for any length of time, it isn't about the profits. It isn't. It's about the losses. It's about keeping on the right side of the market and keeping the losses small. So you want to know, I want to know, Bagger, these trades are setting up in just the last couple of days. These are the new trades. These trades are 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Maybe you want to get a look at those. Now, some of the 6-day trades are underwater a little bit. That might provide you an opportunity to get in there at a little better price. But we're going to show you over the last just 22 days. Did you see any of these trade opportunities? Pretty hard to scan hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of stocks and know precisely where to get in and where to get out. That's why we built the Swing Machine Plus. It's what Susan and I use day in and day out. And by the way, if you want short opportunities, they're here too. This tool is available to you. As a monthly member, you get to see it every night in a video view. You'd rather have it on your desktop so that you can plug in the interval, or the stocks. And by the way, if you wanted to change the interval to a 240-minute on your desktop so that you can get inside the daily swing trader, get the signal maybe about 4 hours earlier than everyone else, you could do that. You want to set alerts to when they first confirm and have those alerts go to your email and or text, you can do that. I am Bagger Don. This is StockMarketCaddy.com. We are mechanical robotic traders. We trade futures intraday because they are highly liquid. We trade options 30 to 45 days out because we can define our risk. And do we invest in stocks for months and years out? Yes. And we just gave you a glimpse of how we go about finding our opportunities. Be sure to visit StockMarketCaddy.com. If you have questions, You can email us, and if you'd like to call any day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., I can be reached at 813-758-8263. Have a great weekend, everyone. We're ready when you are. Take care.